So this is just a quick video. A customer sent us some pictures. He used the 60-inch 2mm BlueTex product. And normally we encourage customers to install going across the framing. However, because the way his metal building was, the framing is exactly on 5-foot on centers. So what he did is he ran the 2mm 60-inch product across the roof. Now, his goal was just to reflect the heat and to control some moisture and condensation, basically warm, moist air, keep it from coming in contact with that cold metal roof. So he did a great job. He actually did not overlap them. He lined them up, butted them, but the tape tab does overlap just a couple of inches. And I'm going to show you a close-up on this. You can see the screws and washers. He put two side by side, lined them right up on the metal framing. He used that tape tab to overlap it and seal it. He could have come back with the 3-inch white tape that we sell to really close that seam and make it look a little cleaner. He could have even covered those screws or painted them white if he wanted to do that. But this is a great little application using the 2mm product. For more information, visit BlueTexInsulation.com.